Today's recipe is a 2-ingredient lemon bar. Goodness, it's so delicious and yummy. It's quick, it's tasty, and you're gonna wanna make it. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't met me yet, I'm Vicki and I'm cooking on the farm on Route 66. You guys, I love the farm life. I love being out with my husband on the farm with the animals, the baby horses, the rescues, our quarter horses. We even have some cows right now, and you can't forget the peacocks. I love being out there, so I want meals that are quick and tasty. And I found that some of the best meals, not some, all of the best meals have been tried and tested by you, by friends, by family, and that's what I bring you. And today I am bringing you a 2-ingredient lemon bar dessert that is so delicious, so easy, so quick. All you need are these 2 products, an angel food cake mix and lemon pie filling. I'm gonna mix those 2 together, cook it up, and we'll have a delicious dessert. So you need a bowl, a spatula, your cake mix, dump it right in the bowl. Open my lemon pie filling. Oh, you guys, that looks so good. I could just lick it. And it smells good too. I'm gonna use my spatula and I'm gonna take this lemon pie filling and put it right in the cake mix. Spatulas work really good because you can scrape around the can and get every ounce of pie filling out. You don't want to leave any behind. Just like that. There you go. I'm gonna mix this up. Whoa, I just splattered cake mix on me, but that's okay. Accidents happen in the kitchen. That's my motto. We're gonna mix it up really good. You don't even need to pull a beater out for this. Just use your spatula. That way you can scrape the bottom and make sure we're making a mess.
Don't say we.
Hey, you're videoing, so you're in part of this. Alan's behind the camera. Everyone say hi to Alan. You can see how it's starting to mix up. Now I just need to mix it where there's no white left, white cake mix, and you can still see there's some in there, so we're gonna keep mixing. You guys, this is so fluffy. It's like a pillow. It's just soft. That's that angel food cake mix that does that. It's pretty amazing. Okay, let's pull this to the side and let's see if there's any white left down in there. That actually looks pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna set this to the side for just a second. I'm gonna clean up my mess. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We're making lemon bars. That's kind of funny. I am gonna grab a 9x13 pan. And one thing I forgot to share is it's super important to preheat your oven to 350 when you start mixing. This dessert comes together so fast that you'll want to get the oven preheated so that you can put it right in the oven. You want to grease your 9x13 pan. Get all the nooks and crannies of the pan. We don't want our lemon bars to stick. That looks perfect. And I am going to put this mixture right into the pan.
I'm anxious to try this.
I can't wait. It is literally like a pillow. It's so fluffy.
Reminds me of our new bed that I'm excited to sleep on.
I know, you guys. We got a new bed. You'll have to go over and watch The Farm on Route 66 and you'll learn all about it. And I'm super excited about it. I just want to use my, can you video this, Ellen? I just want to use my spatula to get all of it out. Just like that.
I could have just licked it.
Ooh, I bet it would be so good just to lick, huh? If I don't leave any in the bowl, you're not going to have any. Maybe I should leave a little bit. There you go.
Good.
Okay, we're just going to spread this out. It's going to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And it's going to be delicious. So quick, so tasty, so easy. Go out and buy some lemon pie filling and angel food cake mix, and you too can make this. I'm going to put it in the oven. I'll show you what it looks like when I pull it out. But while we wait, guess where we're going? Let's head out to the farm. I haven't given you guys an update on the baby horses or animals. You guys should see the rescue horse that we just, tugs at my heartstrings. The rescue horse that we just picked up the other day. Such a sweet little guy. Go over to the Farm on Route 66 and see that. But let me take you outside and just give you an update of some of the animals and enjoy being outside with you. And we'll be back in the kitchen. Look at this, you guys. It is done, and you know it's done because the top is brown and you can see the cracking. Do you see that? How it's kind of cracking on top. It's really risen. It's gone up and over the edge of my pan. I'm gonna let it set for 2 hours and it's gonna cool and drop and become more dense. After that, I may sprinkle it with a little garnish of powdered sugar and enjoy it for an after dinner dessert that's going to be so delicious. So you can see how it's fallen. Do you see that? It was really high and it's fallen and dropped, become more dense. And I am just gonna take my old sifter here. This was my mom's. It was so fun to do this as a kid. And I'm gonna drop a little powdered sugar in there and just sift it right on top. Now you don't have to do this part, but I sure think it makes it look very pretty. Just like that. Doesn't that look amazing? It smells good too. And Alan's behind the camera again, and he is dying for me to cut into this. So we're gonna cut right in.
I've got to do my job. I've got to try it out.
That's right. It's cutting so nice. Go around here, cut it this way. Let's serve this yummy lemon bar dessert.
Man, it's a challenge to be your taste tester, but I'll do it.
So yummy. I'll flip the camera around and let you see Alan take his first
Actually,
bite.
you take the first bite. Go for it.
Okay.
That way it looks better and tastes better.
It looks so delicious. Quick and tasty. You guys go buy 2 ingredients, a lemon pie filling, an angel food cake mix, and I shouldn't talk with my mouth full. But I think it's gonna be full for a while because this is so yummy. I'm gonna eat this all. I'm gonna let Alan try it. He can tell us what he thinks. But seriously, you guys, this is amazing. Comment below, do you guys like cake mix recipes? Simple, fast, and delicious. Tell me if you want more in the comments below, or send me some that you've tried. I would love to share them on my cake mix recipe playlist. Comment below or send me an email at quickandtastyonthefarm@gmail.com. Okay, what do you think?
I think you better have some more.
It's a winner, huh?
It's amazing.
It is.